Hello again, all my Naturalista friends. I know that it is early November, but there's a storm rolling in. I've got my cozy sweater on, and I just got a big box delivered with some of the new holiday catalog products. And I want to share the one that I was the most excited about because I have a diffuser addiction. I have many diffusers and I don't know if I could tell you what my favorite is. So I'm super excited because one of the things that I ordered was the new porcelain Haven Diffuser, and this is the collection. So it comes with the, make sure I got the right one here, ever popular Christmas Spirit oil, which will spend a lot of time in this diffuser, along with something that has been asked for a very long time and finally exists, vanilla. So the vanilla is actually an oleoresin, and it smells amazing, so we'll pop that in the diffuser. I'll do a video just about that later. And then the new Haven Diffuser. And this diffuser is not plastic, it is porcelain, ceramic diffuser. This is a smaller diffuser. It has a maximum runtime of 3 hours. So you can turn it on and just let it go, or you can set it for 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours. Look at the beautiful boxes they come into. I have such a hard time getting rid of the boxes because they're so beautiful. So let's see what we think of this. It's porcelain, so it's not lightweight here. And it's got this beautiful diamond pattern. And I am so excited to see how this porcelain glows once it's turned on. So let's get this going. Okay, so there's kind of a silicone gasket here. And let me get the plug. Could probably use the plug from my other diffuser that's going here because they tend to all be kind of the same. But I'll plug this one in. So we have a cornered plug on the bottom here. And it goes into a slot there. And we'll put you right there, Mr. Diffuser. I can see the maximum water line there. Get my plug going. And I've got my water here. Here's my maximum water. And I will put in my oil, a little Christmas spirit, set the mood, even though it's only November. And let's throw in some of this vanilla to go with our Christmas spirit. That's just gonna smell like a Christmas cookie, isn't it? That's a little bit thicker of an oil, being an oleoresin, I think. There we go. Okay, and we'll get our top on there and our ceramic. And we've got 2 buttons here. We've got a light button. So there's the high, the low, and the off. And then the mist. So that's just on. And then we have the 1 hour, 2 hours, and 3 hours. And it actually has little lights here that show us that. So there we go. Oh yeah, that smells really good with the vanilla in it. And just such a lovely glow there, glowing through that diamond pattern on that porcelain. So I'm super excited for this little diffuser. It'll just fit anywhere, like on the corner here or on my desk. I might have to get another one because you can't have too many diffusers in your house. So there is the new porcelain Haven Diffuser with the Christmas spirit and the vanilla oil. And I will be back with some of the other products from the holiday catalog, which will be available on the 9th. So just a couple more days. Join us next time when we spell more wellness, purpose, and abundance.